I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and let me congratulate all of you on the eve of 75th Independence Day. You know, it's a great day for all of us, and I belong to the community of technocrats, engineers and scientists. So, you know, for our community, this particular, moment is a moment we should cherish, and we should pledge that through our profession we should do something for the development of nation. If you ask me honestly, then science and technology can develop the nation. आप किसी भी developed country का example उठा लो, कोई भी developed country is developed because its economy is developed, and economy is developed because its science, technology, research is developed. एंड साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी रिसर्च का जो ओनर्स है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, वो टेक्नोक्रेट्स के ऊपर होता है. एंड हमारा कंट्री, अच्छी बात ये है कि आवर कंट्री इज़ हैविंग वेरी कैपेबल टेक्नोक्रेट्स. देयर सो मैनी गुड scientists, engineers in our country, and we are not catering to the need of our country, we are catering to the global needs also. You take any developed countries, US, Europe, everywhere you will find technocrats from India doing wonderful job, doing wonderful research, and that is something which is required in India also. And YourPedia as a platform is working in that direction. We are promoting the technocrats, the scientists, for pursuing higher education courses, do good work in that, do good research work in that, explore 500 top global universities, go there, do really good work there, earn money for the country, earn knowledge for the country. Maybe you can contribute back home, you go get education there, you come back, or even if you don't come, you use support from there. So that is how I think that we can contribute, all of us can contribute in the development of the nation. So हम अपनी अपनी जो डोमेन है इंजीनियरिंग का डोमेन, उसमें एक्सेल करें. If you see the fundamental duties enshrined in Indian Constitution, one of the fundamental duty is to excel in our profession and become perfect in that. Because if we become good in our profession, that is national service. लोग बोलते हैं national service क्या है? National service is to be the best in your profession. Whether you win the Olympic gold medal, or you become very good actor, or you become very good cricketer, or you become very good player of some game, or you become very good scientist, you bring the Nobel Prize. So जो भी profession में हम excel करेंगे वो national service है. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? We can become the best. If I am a teacher, I should become the best teacher. If you are electronic engineer, you should try to become very good electronic engineer. And that is all we should do. अगर हम वैसा करेंगे तो अपना करियर भी बनेगा, and that is a national service also. And YourPedia is proceeding in that particular direction only. Let me again congratulate you, and let me request you, and let me motivate you for doing really great job in your profession. जिस भी आप प्रोफेशन में हैं, अपनी इंजीनियरिंग डोमेन में आगे जाओ, अच्छा स्पेशलिस्ट बनो, एंड कंट्रीब्यूट करो अपने डोमेन को, अपने प्रोफेशन को. YourPedia today on 75th Independence Day, this great Independence Day eve, on this occasion, we are going to launch the biggest ever module YourPedia ever created in our history of very less years, our small existence of couple of years. We are going to launch today our very big module for providing very good opportunity to all of you. Please watch that, please listen to that, and see whether you can move with us, and you give opportunity to us to proceed ahead in the direction of making great career for us and doing really good for the nation also. So let's celebrate together, and again congratulations to you on this particular day. Thank you.